Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This week's video is going to be a little different structure to the past videos. I have to do some general stuff. We have a camper that I have to clean out. I might do a little video of that, not too much because it's not that interesting. But I do have to clean the camper out. I will be switching up storage units eventually. We're moving from one unit to another. And to deal with the sleds, because clearly I've just been having a sled in the bed of my truck for weeks now. But yeah, so it should be pretty cool. We'll get right into the action, I guess, right? Bonnie, what do you think? It's mostly cleaned out. It just needs a little, needs a little sweeping, a little cleaning the fridge. I'm gonna put the bump outs out, clean that up. Our bathroom needs a little scrub. Bedrooms are pretty clean. So we'll get the bump out and just a quick sweep on the floor and stuff. Nothing too crazy. It stays fairly clean. Doesn't get too bad. Go out here and check out the toy hauler area. Toy hauler area is pretty cool. It's pretty dark in here though. This is mostly cleaned out already. They got their hoses and electrical cords and whatnot. Yeah, she should be just about ready. Alright, so we are back from cleaning out the camper. That's all set. We just have to do a few more things with the dually, the truck that tows it, and then she'll be ready for again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think the rest of the week we'll probably be into something with the sleds, maybe something with the truck. I don't know. We'll find something to get some info, some vlog on. But for now, we're gonna stay out of the heat a little bit. Well, I guess now is a good time to introduce you to Snoozer. Snoozer is my 2003 Duramax dually, 6.6. It's got an LB7 in it. She's a beaut. We'll take a quick look at the inside first, I guess. She's got full leather, full center console. She's got a CarPlay head unit that I added. She's got all the goodies in here. She even got the rear DVD player. Pretty sweet, huh? But yeah, she's got all the goodies there. She's not clean right now, and she's a bit rusty. But here's her engine bay. She has a WC Fab intake horn with a Ryan's Diesel Service 64mm turbo. She's got ARP head studs, she's got newer injectors, she's got all sorts of stuff. Got a new fuel head in there, new fuel filter. She's got a new master cylinder and all new stainless brake lines. So she is getting some love. This is the primary truck I use for towing the camper, obviously. Yeah, her rockers are rough. They are rough, but she's a good truck. She runs strong. Is our gooseneck or fifth wheel, a gooseneck to fifth wheel hitch setup. We'll do a little startup video for you. All right, we made it to Maine. Never fails the amount of entertainment up in Maine. Could just sit at this gas station. Hi, Bon. Oh, we should introduce Bonnie. This is Bonnie. She is a golden yellow lab retriever thing. She's gonna be 4 this year. She's super good. She comes everywhere with me. Anyways, so we made it to Maine. Look at that. Oh, that's so bad. So bad. Maine never fails, man. This intersection is awesome. There's always entertainment here. Always trucks, cars, trailers, whatever. Always something making a loud noise or being stupid. Well, I think that's the end of her motor, boys. The blue oil everywhere. It's not good. Well, this wasn't the way I was expecting to end this video, but we were supposed to go pick the camper up in Maine today, and we got about halfway back to the house to pick up the wife, and she's got no oil pressure and a whole bunch of blow-by, and I'm pretty sure she's got fuel in the oil, so it's not good. 330,000 miles I think she's done for. This motor doesn't have 330, but it whole chassis and everything's got 330, so who knows. This motor came from a wrecked truck that had 220 on it. Guy said he did a whole bunch of work to it. I've done a whole bunch of work to this thing, so who knows, but really, really sad day. Just limping her back, but just wanted to show you. I let off the throttle. Yeah, that's bad. Real bad. That really sucks, man. Well, you guys saw it here already. Snoozer's blown up. I guess Snoozer made an introduction and then an outro all on her own. She's got tons of blow-by, she's got fuel in the oil, she's got no oil pressure at idle when she's warmed up. She was smoking like a freight train. We limped her back to the shop. I don't know what the future holds for Snoozer, but it's pretty upsetting. I'm pretty sad about it, to be honest. It's really it's been a really good truck to us. I mean, we've done a lot of work to it, and I don't know, we'll see what the future holds, I guess. But if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you could, please like and subscribe. That means a lot, and it's really helpful for Snoozer probably at this point. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.